If you're doggedly working through this exercise, that's great. If not, use the Chapter 506 Coordination Review project file located in your Chapter 5 folder. If you are working through this without opening this new file, what you'll need to do from your common folder is reload the architectural file using the revised architecture link file. This is to simulate the architect making some changes in his file and then reissuing it to us. And this is the whole point of using the copy monitor tools. This is how we can coordinate our model to reflect his model. In a plan view, select the linked file. Up on the ribbon, we get the Coordination Review tool. Clicking on this gives us a dialog box that gives us several messages. We've got new and unresolved issues. We can expand these to see that grid 10, that's the grid 10 in our file, is changed in relation to the grid 10 in the architectural link file. Selecting on each of them displays them in our drawing. We can then choose what we want to do. Do we want to postpone this until we've had a chance to talk to the architect, reject it, accept the difference, or, as in most cases, modify grid 10? When we click on Apply, we can see that our grid 10 is now in exactly the same position as the architect's. Let's check those other messages. 2 levels have moved. The roof level has moved in relation to our roof level by 152, and the parapet has also moved. Granted, we can't see that change in this view, so it's a good idea to just click on OK and open a view where we can see that change occurring. Scrolling into this view, we can see that change. So let's click on the Coordination Review tool again and see what happens. There's the roof, which is the architect's roof, and the copy monitored roof in our project. We'll move it and apply. We'll do the same for the parapet. Lastly, we have the positions of lighting fixtures that have changed. Here we can select several lines and move all our light fittings in one go. Of course, some of these messages may not be the ones that you're wanting to see, in which case you could have created a report to start with. This creates an HTML report that you can save and then email the architect and discuss with him at your next project meeting the implications of his changes.